bit to use at the top. This is actually what coffee beans come in. So you want to get it going just a little bit. So everything in there starts smoking good. Then you cram it in here. Wow. That right there, so when it starts smoking, I think there's a forest fire. So let's everybody go get some honey, so if we have to leave, when we get where we're going, we'll have some honey to survive on until we can make another place. So that's what that's kind of about. That little cage right there is what the queen comes in when you order. And then what they'll have a cork right here. And this section right here will be full of basically just hard sugar. This hive here has a brood chamber down here that we talked about. Then that right there is a super, and that's what I'm going to leave them for the winter. This right down through here. Anyway, this is called a queen excluder. She can't get through these wires here. So that would keep her up from laying eggs up in your honey, putting nest up there. So she can't get through here. So you put them on there, and that way you can confine her to ever how much you want to keep her down. Here's a little honeybee right here being hatched. See him right there trying to get out.